Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to put your business on Grubhub. So if you also want to put your business on Grubhub, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now simply type in get.grubhub.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Grubhub for restaurants. From here, you'll be able to put your business on Grubhub. If you put your business on Grubhub, you'll be able to expand your business. You'll also be able to earn more profit. It will also help your business grow. So if you want to put your business on Grubhub, first of all, what you have to do is fill out this form. If you already have an account, you can sign into your account. But in order to join the Grubhub marketplace, you'll have to fill out this form. First of all, what you have to do is enter your first name. Simply click on this box that you can see right over here. Now what you have to do is enter your first name. Similarly, enter your last name. Now you'll have to add your email for primary contact. Simply click on this box. Now add your email over here. Simply enter your email address. You can also add separate email for orders. Simply click on the option add separate email for orders. Now from here, you'll be able to add separate email for orders. All you have to do is enter the email address that you want to use for the order. I'm not going to add it right now. Now also what you have to do is enter the cell phone number. Simply click on this box. Now enter your cell phone number. Now also select your store type. Click on this option that you can see right over here. Now here you'll be able to see several store types. Simply click on the store type of your choice. Now also enter your store name. Click on this box. Enter your store name. Now you'll also have to add the store address. Click on this box. Enter the store address. You can also manually enter the address. Simply click on the option manually enter address. Now you'll be able to manually enter the address over here. Provide the street address, suit, city, state and zip. Simply enter the street address over here. Now enter the suit. Also enter the city. Now choose the state. Now enter the zip code. Now scroll down. Now what you have to do is check on this box. By checking this box, you'll opt in for promotional messages. Read the information very carefully. You can opt out at any time. Now verify that you're not a robot. Simply check on the box I'm not a robot. Now after it is verified, all you have to do is click on the get started button that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Thank you for your interest in Grubhub. Once the team has reviewed your information, Grubhub will reach out via email. So if you get the email from Grubhub, you'll be able to continue to other steps. Your account on Grubhub will be created and you can set up your account. So that is how you put your business on Grubhub. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.